So we are Yonah and we are building healthcare cargo drone infrastructure to deliver medical supplies to the remote areas of Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea has a beautiful yet challenging landscape. The mountainous terrain and limited road infrastructure makes delivering medical supplies to the community healthcare workers difficult. Here, medical supplies can take up to more than 2 days to deliver, especially during disease outbreaks where every minute counts. Therefore, speed in delivering and administrating of medicines and vaccines is crucial. Bosch helps us to achieve our milestones, enabling us to create a robust drone that is simple for the healthcare workers to operate. Stay tuned for more updates on the drone and our future collaborations with Bosch.